Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
In the realm of modern living room design, floor tiles play a crucial role in defining the aesthetic and setting the tone for the entire space. The selection of floor tiles in a modern living room is a thoughtful process that balances functionality, style, and the desired atmosphere. Modern living room floor tiles often embrace clean lines and a sleek, minimalist aesthetic. Large format tiles with a smooth, polished finish contribute to a sense of expansiveness, creating a seamless visual flow that complements the contemporary design ethos. Neutral color palettes, such as shades of gray, beige, or muted earth tones, are commonly chosen to establish a versatile backdrop for various design elements. Porcelain and ceramic tiles are popular choices for modern living rooms due to their durability, ease of maintenance, and ability to mimic the look of natural materials. Wood-look tiles, for instance, provide the warmth and texture of hardwood floors while offering the practical advantages of tile. Concrete-look tiles, on the other hand, add an industrial edge, contributing to the modern and urban aesthetic. Patterned or textured tiles can introduce visual interest and focal points within the modern living room. Geometric patterns, abstract designs, or subtle textures add a layer of sophistication to the flooring, enhancing the overall contemporary vibe. These tiles can be strategically placed to define specific zones within the living space or to create a dynamic visual impact. Large format tiles contribute to a sense of continuity and openness, especially in open-concept living areas. The minimalistic approach to grout lines emphasizes the expansiveness of the floor, fostering a sense of cohesion. Additionally, the use of rectified tiles, which are precisely cut to achieve straight edges, contributes to a clean and seamless appearance. The choice of floor tiles in a modern living room should harmonize with the overall design theme. In spaces where natural light is abundant, glossy or polished tiles can enhance the reflective quality, creating a bright and airy ambience. In contrast, matte finishes may be preferred for areas where a more subdued and intimate atmosphere is desired. Ultimately, the modern living room floor tile design is a thoughtful marriage of form and function. It goes beyond the utilitarian aspect of flooring, becoming a pivotal design element that contributes to the overall aesthetic. The chosen tiles set the stage for a contemporary living space that is not only visually striking but also practical and well-suited to the dynamic and versatile nature of modern lifestyle.
In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!